Let's draw a long wiggly body made of little round bumps. Add 2 big eyes and a smiley face at the front. Then, draw small legs along the sides. Now, color the caterpillar orange or yellow. Add red circles on its back and make the legs brown. The face can be bright and happy. Perfect! Our caterpillar looks cute and ready to crawl on the leaves. Great job, you made a friendly little caterpillar friend. First, draw a round head, a middle body, and a big oval back part. Add 6 legs and 2 antennae on top. Don't forget the smiling face with big eyes. Now, let's color the ant red. Make the legs and antennae the same color. The eyes should stay white with black pupils, so it looks cheerful. Wonderful! Our ant is strong and happy, just like real ants who work hard together. Well done, little artist you made a busy ant friend.